Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your public Wi-Fi. First, ensure your device's Wi-Fi is turned on. Then, open your network settings and look for available networks. You should see Only Way listed among them. Select this network to begin the connection process. This initial step is crucial for accessing the internet quickly and efficiently. Once you have selected the Only Way network, open your web browser. A captive portal page should appear, prompting you to accept the terms and conditions. Read these carefully, then click to accept. If required, enter your login credentials to finalize the connection and gain full internet access. If you encounter issues connecting, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, restart your device completely. If that doesn't work, forget the Only Way network in your settings and attempt to reconnect. Also, ensure you are within a good range of the Wi-Fi signal for optimal performance and stability. When using public Wi-Fi, prioritize your online safety. Avoid conducting sensitive transactions like online banking or shopping. Consider using a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your data. Always remember to log out of any accounts you access once you are finished to protect your personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.